Looking for roof replacement contractors, Amherst, New York? Here are 4 to consider: Expert Contracting, Bis Roy Roofing Siding, Switala Construction, and Geiger Brothers Construction. If you are looking for a high-quality and affordable roofing solution, be sure to read our reviews. If you aren't sure which company to hire, we recommend getting a free estimate first. Bis Roy Roofing Siding. If your roof is in need of a replacement, consider Bis Roy Roofing Siding. This family-owned business has been providing roofing services to the Amherst community since 1960. They provide 5-year labor warranties and transferable manufacturer warranties. You can even call them for construction services at any time of the year. They provide roofing services and construction services throughout the year. Bis Roy Roofing Siding is one of the oldest roofing and siding contractors in the area. Their team is highly skilled in the use of a variety of roofing materials, and they offer competitive pricing. They can also coordinate with a local construction company to complete your repitching project. Switala Construction, another local company, offers complete roofing services. They can perform new roof installations, gutter installation, and window replacement. Their team is fully insured and has over 60 years of combined experience. If you're looking for a roof replacement contractor in Amherst, New York, you may want to look at Martin Roofing Contractors or M Property Restoration. These companies provide complete roofing services for all types of structures. They are certified installers of Owens Corning and Lowe's products, and they also provide gutter and window replacement services. Martin Roofing Contractors. Founded in 1952, Martin Roofing Contractors specializes in roof replacement and new roof installation in the Amherst area. In addition to residential and commercial roofing projects, they offer asbestos abatement, window and siding replacement, and vinyl siding. To get a free estimate, contact them today. Their roofers are trained to use industry-standard tools and technology. For your convenience, they are available around the clock for emergency roofing projects. Martin Roofing Contractors also handles window and door replacement and gutter and siding installation. This family-owned business specializes in all types of roofing projects. From minor damage to complete roof replacement, their technicians can handle your job with ease. Their roofers are also trained to handle emergency calls, such as water leaks or damaged structures. They are available 24 hours a day, and are experienced at repairing cracked or missing shingles. Additionally, they can service chimney flashing and roof repair. Switala Construction. For quality roof replacement contractors, visit the offices of Switala Construction, LLC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.